Na bila shaka awali pia naibu wa rais William Ruto alikuwa amezungumza akisema kwamba akitangaza muungano huo kati ya PA na Kenya Kwanza, na akisema kwamba ni wakati wa kubadilisha jinsi siasa za Kenya zinavyoendeshwa. Lakini kwa sasa nadhani tukiachana na hilo ambalo linaendelea, Brenda Wanga atatueleza zaidi kuhusiana na yale atakayojiri katika mkutano huo. Lakini kwa sasa turejee katika kaunti ya Nakuru ambapo mwenyekiti wa baraza la utawala wa haki nchini ambaye pia ni jaji mkuu Martha Koome anaongoza kongamano la pili la mfumo wa haki ya makosa ya jinai linalonuia kutathmini haki ya makosa ya jinai humu nchini. Hebu sasa tusikize yanayoendelea.
In the course of investigations and prosecutions, we have further developed the ODPP compendium on electoral justice in consideration of the principles of democracy and electoral justice, ensuring enhanced prosecution of electoral offences, thus safeguarding the conduct of free and fair elections. The ODPP has also noted instances where criminal justice actors appear compromised in the investigations, prosecution, even adjudication. For instance, loss of court files, critical evidence or exhibits resulting in acquittals, thereby eroding access to justice to the victims of these crimes, is a good example. Additionally, we have also embraced various alternative prosecutions in line with Article 159 of the Constitution towards expeditious disposal of cases. We have done this by adopting the plea bargaining guidelines, which has facilitated the reduction of case backlogs. We have also adopted the diversion policy, which allows prosecutors to divert cases from the court process, allowing matters to be settled out of court or merit and through agreed structures. The policy has enhanced access to justice by providing an alternative prosecution that is accessible to offenders and visible and accountable to victims and communities. Other alternatives adopted by the office include issuance of guidelines against prosecution of petty offences, such as touting, and consideration of alternatives to prosecution in cases involving minors. In recognition of the special role of victims, witnesses, and complainants in the criminal justice process, the office has put in place various measures to safeguard their rights, such as the development of the standard operating procedures for prosecution of female genital mutilation as a harmful practice. These SOPs guide prosecutors in the conduct of cases involving genital mutilation and harmful cultural practices, with the aim of eradicating all forms of gender-based violence, thereby protecting the rights and the fundamental freedoms of women and girls. We have also established a witness and victim protection unit that works, or hopefully will work closely with the Witness Protection Agency to ensure that victims of crime and witnesses are protected from any forms of intimidation and threats by the perpetrators of crime. The unit also partners with stakeholders to provide psychosocial support and counseling for victims of crime throughout the trial process. Therefore, to uphold human rights and to facilitate equal access to justice for all, the action of criminal justice actors, including prosecutors, must be in tandem with the tenets of human rights that emanate from our obligations under national, regional, and international instruments.